Hey, LadyBorgia here, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I've been gone for a little bit. You can hear that I've been sick. Hopefully I don't sound too much like Peter Brady, hitting puberty, or an old man. I don't know what to tell you, but it is time for August BoxyCharm surprise unboxing. I have no idea what's in here. This board thing has been sitting in my drawer for a week waiting. I did not peek, and I have a big announcement. There is a new makeup show coming, so I'm going to dedicate this unboxing video to Beauty and the Bees and my co-host Bridget SNYDER. That's right. Every other Monday we are doing You Stories, Beauty and the Bees, and we will be having different guests on our panel to talk all things makeup, big, small, funny, silly, whatnot, whatever you got. I know my shirt's flying all over the place. I haven't talked this much in 2 weeks. So let's get ready. We're gonna do an unboxing. Let's go. All right, I am ready. I've got my Chloraseptic and my tissues. I'm on the med, but not completely better, so I sound a little funny, but we are ready to open her up. I've been dying. She has been in my drawer, and I would like to know what is in this box. All right, I open the box. As usual, I pop the tape. I don't know what's in there, and we are going to get one card out. And I'm going to stick my hand in there, and I feel something. Oh, it is lashes. They look a little stumpy. I don't know. Can you see that? I don't know. House of Lashes. I mean, I keep saying I need new lashes, and I've gotten some new ones that I really like. I need to go shopping in the store. I'm sorry, I'm going to be sniffing. Oh, it is a Life of the Party. Well, alrighty. And by the way, we're going to have another adult party coming up. Definitely next month, costume party, but I will save that for a promo video. All right, let's read about the, oh Lord, it's got to be, this is not fair. I can't see. Anyway, House of Lashes. This is like holy hell reading. Why did they do this to me? All right, come on, Vanna White, get to it. House of Lashes. Add length. Is it showing? It is showing. Okay. Add length and dimension to your makeup look with your new favorite lashes. I can guarantee you these aren't going to be my favorites. They're a little bit stumpy, but all right, they might work. I could be wrong. Maybe I'll like them on. We shall see. Okay, cruelty-free, high quality, and long-lasting. These lashes provide up to 15 wears. I think those last ones said they lasted longer. I like the other ones better. And will be the talk of every party. MSRP $9 to $12. House of Lashes party. They're going to be the talk of every party? What the hell party are you going to that everybody talks about your lashes? Oh my goodness, did you see the lashes? I'm sorry, Bull Honey. Nobody talks about the damn lashes at the party. And I'm gonna have to say, I could be wrong. I can put these on and love them, and I may have to retract this, but it's not gonna be these. All right. What do we got? We have, oh, I recognize this. I forget the name, but it's nail polish. I remember getting nail polish with this insignia. I think it was Adele, New York. Let's see, is it? Oh, it's not nail polish. It is age-defying nail treat. Oh, it is nail stuff. Age-defying nail treatment, sweet almond cuticle oil. Yeah. All right. Okay. Cool. All right. Granted, I give you that. Usually, I probably do need to push back my cuticles right now, but I don't know. I'm trying not to look at anything on here. Here we go. Gosh, it's hard to talk with my nose running. Ades, if I'm saying it right, a sweet almond cuticle oil. Treat yourself, your nails, and your cuticles after a night out. What the hell are you doing to your cuticles on a night out? Jesus. This lightweight, non-greasy oil is formulated with vitamin E, shea, sweet almond, and jojoba oil that are blended together to create a luxurious treatment that softens the cuticles, moisturizes, and hydrates the nails. Basically all the crap I already have in my medicine cabinet. I have all those oils. MSRP $18. Okay. Yeah, see, that's why I usually do not buy oil products that mixes oils together, because if you buy the oils and mix them together yourself, it's a crap ton cheaper. All right. Boy, I'm a little bit like sassy about things today. I think I've been in bed too long. I'm like, meh, these are all right. Nah, that's all right. Let's see what else is in here. I'm being terrible. I am. All right, I feel something. Oh, Smashbox. It's something Smashbox. I love Smashbox. I've been buying Smashbox stuff since you could only get it, I think, online. All right, Smashbox Be Legendary Lipstick. All right. Gosh, my eyes are so blurry still. Spectacle. I need to see the color. I need to see. Oh, I have these. I have this in pout. So this is not long wearing, but these are really comfortable. It looks like a nice, like, kind of orangey reddy color, orangish red. I know, it almost looks like a little coral in there. All right, stop analyzing the damn color. All right, let's read about it. I don't really need to because I do have this. They are really good, but I have it in pout. Okay, Smashbox. Here we go. One swipe color. Assorted lip products. Oh, damn. I gotta go out there and see what else you could have gotten. Create bold, beautiful looks with your new Smashbox lip product. This pigment-loaded color glides. I like glidey things. On just one swipe. Glides on in just one swipe. Getting you out the door and into the party quicker. Have you really been late to a party because of your lipstick taking too long to apply? If you have, you need a new damn lipstick. That's just weird. Shades and finishes may vary. MSRP 21 to 24. Sounds about right. Hashtag Smashbox Party. Oh, you know what I realized? There's no, like, Jolene's favorite, so-and-so's favorite. That's good, because I didn't know who on earth those people were. Anyway. All right, that's 3 things. What else? What else? I have a square box. Bang Beauty. Okay. Connect with us. I don't know. I don't know if I know you that well to connect with you. Oh, I'm being so weird. All right, what is it? It looks almost like brow pomade. Sorry, pomade for all the Americans. And it is, well, it even looks like it's brown. All right, what the hell? Chocolate, oh, chocolate gel eyeliner. All right. I don't know. I do have brown eyeliners. I do not have, I'm the eyeliner queen. I love eyeliner. You should see all the eyeliners below here. But I don't know. I've never owned a brown that's quite that light. So, oh, hello. Why are you putting it away? Let's get it out and Bang Beauty. All right, hold her up. Bang Beauty chocolate eyeliner. Use it as an eyeliner and eyeshadow base. Okay. Or even to touch up your brows. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. This was more of a brow product, at least for me. This creamy chocolate toad pomade is the ultimate triple threat. MSRP $22, Bang Beauty Party. So basically, it's all the above, and actually it would work really well here. I don't know. So far, I'm happy about this. That's okay. All right. Oh, Wander Beauty is back. Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. So here we go. We're back to getting masks. All right, where is it? Wander Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. I don't know. I don't really have too bad a bag. Well, a little bit more on this side. Not too bad. This is my nudie face. Well, I do have lip gloss on. I've got lip gloss on. All right, anyway, get to it. After a night of partying, who doesn't love a good eye mask? I don't know. I guess that's the first thing you think of. I don't know. I obviously have not been to a party recently. Not the way I'm studying. Everybody be running to the other side of the room. All right. These gold foil under eye masks brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. I don't know. My circles actually really aren't too bad. They're there, but for being sick, I'm pretty happy. Ooh, I do like this. The hyaluronic acid diminishes the appearance of wrinkles. Well, I use that all the time, so maybe that's... No, just kidding. The appearance of wrinkles, while aloe leaf extracts and lavender oil cool and soothe your under eye area. Already use those things. I've got lavender over on the other side of my studio. MSRP $13. Is that for this handful or per eye thing? Wonder Party. All right, cool. Yeah, they had, we're getting repeat brands. All right, get to it. What do we have in here? I feel the palette. And are we going to be a good palette? I don't know. Please don't be another neutral palette. Please, not another neutral palette. Ooh, Laura Lee Party Animal. All right, Laura Lee, are you not going to let me down? Let's see. What are the colors going to be? Ooh! Yes! Oh, God bless Laura Lee. I am flippin' happy now. All right. These two things have just made my damn day. We have got some color. All right. Here we go. I might have to make a first impressions video after this. And I know you're like, what the hell, girl? You never put them up. And I'm going to. I swear to God, I'm going to. All right. Where is it? I can't find it. All right. Life of the Party. Laura Lee, Los Angeles Party Animal Eyeshadow Palette. Dare to be the life of the party with Laura Lee, Los Angeles Party Animal Palette. These 6 stunning shades create bold, colorful looks, leading to ready for a night of fun. MSRP $19. I love these colors. So, that is it, I think. Let me look into the thing. That is it. So, I am thrilled with this and this. That is fantastic. Chocolate, I don't know. We'll try it out. I think it would make a really good brow, but I will also, maybe we'll do a brown gel wing. I don't know. I like my browns usually a little darker. I do have brown liner. I've got yellow, I've got green, I've got blue, I've got white, I've got everything else. But that is the end. There is no more. That is BoxyCharm unboxing, and there is no more. So, thank you all. I love you. I have missed you, and I am glad to be back. Don't forget Beauty and the Bees. You Story Beauty and the Bees. It'll be 2 Mondays a month live at 7 p.m. Eastern. I know I've got several live shows now. I will have a schedule in the description box for you guys. Anyway, thank you so much for coming. Give your girl a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. And ding, 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 dong, ding. Don't forget to hit that notification bell because I am live Mondays and Wednesdays, 7 p.m. Eastern, and some other days. And I upload multiple makeup and health videos weekly. All right. Love you all. Lady Borgia.